Good evening, dear all. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your huge support. Within 20 hours, I have more than 275 people who are my viewers, subscribers, and who has liked my channel. Your support means a lot. Keep on supporting, keep on liking, subscribing, and viewing my channel, as well as keep on sharing also. A child, wherever may be overall the world, if is struggling with such kind of concepts, your one share will help the child. Being a part of this society, we are human beings, so we can do that. Unknowingly, you can help anyone by sharing the video. So today again, I'm here back with fractions remaining part, that is multiplication, division, and equivalent fraction. So let's see now, without wasting our time, how to multiply two fractions. For example, if I have with me 3 by 4 is to be multiplied by 1 by 2. Now, as I told, for multiplication and division, we don't need at all to check either the fractions are like or unlike. What you're supposed to do is directly you see the fractions. First fraction is 3 by 4 into second fraction is 1 by 2. Now here, once the fractions are given to you, check can you reduce them. Reduced in the senses, can you divide them? How? Either the same fraction or else the different terms from both the fractions, they do lie in the same table or no. If they do, you can reduce. If not, leave it. Here we can't do so. So directly it is numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So as simple as that, 3 into 1 it is 3 and 4 2s are 8. Now another example of multiplication I'll give you where you can find out with reduction. For example, if I have 48 upon 60 into 16 upon 12. Now you people can reduce either the fraction upon fraction or else the cross multiplication. Choice is yours. So I will make likewise. 12 ones are 12, 4s are. Now I can multiply this by 4 also. 4 4s are 16. 4 ones are 4 remains to 20. 4 5s are 20. Now can you reduce further? No. This 4 into 4 and 15 into 1. Can you do it? No. So 4 into 4 it makes 16 upon 15 into 1, 15. Now the fraction which we have found or we have got it after the calculation is an improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is 16 and denominator is 15. 16 is greater than 15. So try to convert this into a mixed fraction. So what is the process? As usual, divide 16 by 15. So it comes 1 integer 1 upon 15. So concluding is this, in multiplication of fractions, you're not at all supposed to think about either the fractions are like fractions or no. It doesn't make that much sense in case of multiplication. You can directly multiply and reduce, or else first reduce and then multiply. Choice is yours. Next is coming to the division. We'll take the same examples. Suppose it's 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. Now in fractions, always keep it in mind that division we always try to convert into multiplication and then only we solve. I repeat, my dear children, what we do is, in case of division of fractions, always we convert the division into multiplication and then only we can solve. How? Keep the first fraction as it is, convert division into multiplication and take reciprocal of the another fraction. See how. So this equals to 3 by 4 as it is, division converted into multiplication, and next fraction reciprocal means interchanging the positions of numerator and denominator. So 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. And now check, can you reduce them? Yes. 2 and 4, they lie in same table, that is 2's table. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 2's are 4. And then it comes to 3 by 2. It's not mandatory that you should keep the first fraction as it is always and take the reciprocal of second. It can be either ways also. A child can keep second fraction as it is, convert division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of first one. How? So this comes or, and this I'll be solving at the top. It becomes easy for you to see. Till that time, once again, a gentle reminder, my dear viewers, please like, subscribe and keep on sharing my channel, my videos. And please keep on commenting too. Your all kind of suggestions are always welcome. So this is equals to, like, you can keep 1 by 2 as it is, division converted into multiplication, and next fraction, first fraction reciprocal is 4 by 3. So this comes again, reduce 2 ones are, 2 2's are. So this is 2 by 3. Now, what's the difference here? I said it makes no sense. What has happened? Can you make it out? Completely the value has changed. Completely the value has changed. So yes, it has a meaning. I said it makes no sense, but yes, it makes a sense. It was just to check out how you people will make it. So always keep it in mind that we do change the second fraction only. Means the process to solve the division of fractions is always keep the first fraction as it is, convert the division into multiplication and take reciprocal of second fraction. Always division is to be solved by converting the division into multiplication. So reciprocal is to be taken of the next fraction, not of the first one. And always whenever we say something, there is a chance for 1%. These two, as I saw and I have proved that why is it required to take the reciprocal of second only, not the first. But in some cases, in some rare cases, they may be equal, always they not. So the process to be followed is this only. First fraction as it is, division converted into multiplication, and then the reciprocal of the second fraction. Hope I made it very clear. Multiplication and division of fractions. Whatever I have taught just now or discussed, I'll repeat it once again. In case of multiplication and division of fractions, it's not at all required to check out either the fractions are like fractions or no. No, not at all. They can be unlike fractions. In multiplication, it's a simple direct multiplication. Means it's numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. And choice is yours. Either first you reduce them and then solve, or else first solve and then reduce if it's reducible. In case of division, always keep it in mind, division of fractions means ultimately you have to convert the division into multiplication. So what you will do is, you'll keep the first fraction as it is, division to be converted into multiplication, and reciprocal of the next fraction. Reciprocal means what? Interchanging the positions of numerator and denominator. Once again, I remind all of you, please do like, subscribe, view my channel, view the video and share the video. Keep on sharing with your friends, relatives, the members, those who need this. Younger children, they need it. So please keep on doing it as you all are supporting me. I'm really thankful to you. Now coming back to the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions, it's not an operation, it's a type of fractions. For example, I have 2 by 4 with me and I have to find out its two equivalent fractions. Now 2 equivalent fractions means what you have to do is, simply you have to multiply the given fraction by any two numbers. Suppose I will multiply 2 by 4 first by 3. So ultimately I'll get it 6 by 12. Now how they are equivalent? When you reduce them, you must get the given fraction as the answer. Means 6 and 12. If you divide them by 3, it comes what? 2 by 4. That's why they are called equivalent fractions. As I said yesterday, equivalent fractions means the fractions which are equal after their reduced form. When you compare the reduced form of n number of fractions and you come across that the reduced form is always equal, those are known as equivalent fractions. So how to find equivalent fractions of the given fractions? You can multiply the given fraction by any number, provided you must multiply the numerator and denominator by same number. The numbers must not change, and when you resolve them, when you reduce them, you must get the given fraction. So this is all about fractions, all 4 operations. What fractions do they mean? My yesterday and today's video, I think it might be quite helpful for grade 6 children to understand at least fractions and the main important key operations which they are facing problems with. Apart from this, if you have any problem, any query, you can text me on 7719959377. You are always welcome. Your queries are always welcome. For personal appointment, either it's online or offline, as I'm doing this from Aurangabad, Maharashtra, the local students can approach me via text and I can meet them if they want for the tutorials, as well as for the other people out of Aurangabad. It may be in the same state, it may be out of the state, it may be out of India. You people can text me. Your queries will be solved online. I repeat the number 7719959377. Once again, I request humbly all of you, please do like, subscribe and share today's video too. Thank you so much. Good night, sweet dreams. Thank you. It means a lot.